Every December, fierce battles break out across the Tibetan plateau. Strong male Tibetan antelopes clash head-on, their sharp horns colliding with deep, thunderous cracks. Dust swirls as their eyes are filled with determination and a will to win. The victor claims to be the center of the herd, earning the chance to mate while the defeated slink away. Some are wounded with shattered horns left, now one-horned warriors. These brutal clashes are more than contests of strength. They are essential for the survival of the species. But not every antelope wins this fight. Xultrim Tharchin, head of the wildlife protection team in Xinhua County, watches these scenes with sadness. For years, he's dedicated his life to protecting Tibetan antelopes, patrolling the wilderness, rescuing injured animals, and capturing their stories on film. Each farewell to a fallen antelope is like saying goodbye to an old friend. Yet each loss only deepens his resolve. Xultrim Tharchin helped produce a powerful short documentary using raw footage and real stories to urge the world to care, to protect what's left of the wild, and to let these animals keep running free. On his days off, Xultrim Tharchin sometimes brings his family to Lhasa, capital city of Xizang. At the Xizang Museum of Natural Science, he stops in front of the Tibetan antelope display. Even after all these years, he observes it closely, still learning. By June, the plateau is bathed in soft sunlight. Pregnant Tibetan antelopes gather together, waiting for the arrival of new life. They instinctively choose safe birthing grounds, guided by their special wisdom. But danger lurks nearby. Wolves watch from a distance. Their eyes are locked on the herd, waiting for the right moment to strike. The tension is thick, and you can feel it in the air. Then at last, the calves are born, tiny, fuzzy, and full of promise. Some rise on shaky legs, nudged gently by their mothers, ready to explore the world. But not all are so lucky. Some perish just moments after birth. It's a painful reminder of how delicate life is here and how ruthless the wild can be.
Mama, 我什么时候才能像你一样强壮？看我怎么总是站不稳。
The voice belongs to Xultrim Tharchin's son, Yumi Dandra. He often joins his father on patrol, his heart full of love for wildlife. His gentle, childlike narration gives voice to the newborn antelopes, adding a sense of innocence and warmth. Through his eyes, we're reminded that compassion for wildlife often begins at a young age. During their long migration, the antelopes face many challenges: hunger, fatigue, and injury. When that happens, wildlife rangers step in. With patience and care, they feed and hydrate the weakest calves, nursing them back to health. These small acts of kindness reflect the very best of humanity and the hope it brings to conservation. During migration season, thousands of Tibetan antelopes surge through the snowy mountains like a living river, fluid, powerful, and unstoppable. With acute environmental awareness, they sense danger from miles away. With stamina that allows them to run up to 80 kilometers per hour, they are among nature's most resilient travelers. Their speed, instinct, and endurance make them not just survivors, but miracles of the plateau.